Okay, let's create a helper class. Like initially, like I don't want to display everything here. I just want to display first 25 characters here from this text. So I'm going to write a simple function. So before that, we need to create a helper class. I'm just creating a new folder called helpers like, and I'm creating a new file called helpers.js. Now this is again a simple function, like you can use like export function like hello, and you can return whatever you want, and like something like hi, like hello. So how to call this again in the body, like you can import this. Yes, you can import here, like import, and let's this what the hello function, hello from the location like helper. I think it's here, like helpers. You can import here, like import hello from helper/helper. Yep, you can call this wherever you want. Like if you see this, yeah, let's use the hello function here. But before that, you need to keep this in a braces, because yeah, now I'm just going to print hello. If you see the result, hello is coming here because whatever it returns, that comes here. So the same way, like it's in the article, like there are few functions I written to get the image, or like the first 50 characters. So let's see, I have something here. Yeah, so get image. So I'm going to write I'm going to use this function, like get image function, to getting image from the HTML content. Like this is what the HTML content, I just want to get this image and print it here. So export function, and I'm placing this code and the get image, and here is the content. Yeah, this is what the content, sorry. And this will actually, this is a regular expression, it will find out the first image source and try to get the image. The same way I have one more function called content snippet. It will pull the first 50 words. So I'm create a function called like function use content snippet. So, and this is what again, the source, I mean the string, like I used content again. So I'm going to import these things here. Let's saving this. and I'm going to import these components, I mean the functions here, like content snippet. So let's see. So I'm going to use this to replacing this with the first 50 words. So this is what my content. So I'm passing that my entire HTML content here. Let's see it converted everything, and it is giving 3 dots because it's just 50 words. If you want just 20 words or 30 words, based on that I'll change. Like initially I'm going to display this, and then like, so there is an image here, like now we are going to call the image here. So I think in my previous post I explained how to print the image, like in the header tag. So this is what the image. So let me display this. Instead of this, I'm going to use this get image. And this is going to be, because this is a URL, so I'm going to give it as a URI and get image. I mean, let's make it a capital here. The same name I'm going to use it here. And the get image, in the function I'm just passing this content. It'll find the first image and it'll get the source. And we need to call this image component in the React Native. See now the image is coming. Like I just want to give the height maybe like 200 and the width will be the 300. Yeah, see now the images are coming like the proper way. If you want, like there is a one more yeah, this image component is completely dependent on the width and height. So if you're working with multiple devices with different dimensions, this will not work out for you. So instead of that, I'm going to use there is a useful component called npm install React Native fit image. This actually it'll give you the 100% of width. So I'm just saving this. And I'm restarting this again, closing all the yep. So I'm going to import that here, like, and again I'm importing here. It's called import fit image from React Native fit image. So instead of the image, I'm going to use fit image, and you no need to write the no need to specify the styles. If you see now, say, so this actually depends on the like dimensions, it'll adjust automatically, so you no need to worry about that. yeah, this is what you can modify all the stuff, like, and maybe in future videos I'm going to explain how to work with the routers. Like, we have a different 3 tabs here at the feed, camera, and about. So all these things I'll explain, like how to achieve all this stuff using React Native. Thank you.